Hello, 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 beautiful friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I want to believe you all are doing fine. It's been a long time, it's been a while. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about the whole thing. I'm so sorry for sudden disappearance. It wasn't intentional, okay? But by God's grace, you are back again. So I want to say thank you to my wonderful friends for checking out on me. I really got a wonderful family around here. Say thank you all. All right, so without much ado, I want us to go straight to the business of the day. What brought about this video is about the last call I received. A woman crying, like tears rolling down her eyes because she's about to lose her, how will I call it, new marriage to a strange wife. That was what actually brought about this video. Okay, so before I continue, I would like to tell you this. Please, if you know you are guilty, like you snatched someone's husband, like you were the reason behind someone's midnight cries when you were single, in one way or the other you snatched someone's husband when you were growing up. Maybe you were like, nobody can do anything, you have it all, because he was providing for you, he was giving you all your needs, right? Okay, please don't embark on this journey, it is too dangerous for you. If your hands are not clean, don't ever dream of embarking on this journey. It is going to backfire and you won't like the outcome, not at all. So let's just hit the nail on it. What I need, the first thing I'll be needing is my onions. Yeah, I have made this video before. This is the second time I'm repeating something of this nature. So if you use the other one, it didn't work for you, try this method. This is my onions. Once you get the onions, you get bitter cola, you get this alligator pepper, onions, bitter cola, alligator pepper, and normal pepper. In my area, there is what we call Cameroon pepper. The black pepper is always very hot. We have the red pepper that one is mild. You can get, it can be mild. It doesn't hurt much. I will implore you to use native pepper. Okay, yeah, you can use it, any of those pepper. Just get normal pepper. And then a piece of paper. Here now, this one has some lines. I won't be using this. You need something very plain to write the full name of whoever that have vowed to take care of your man, to take your man away from you. Whoever, the full name, write the surname, the middle name, the last name. Try and find out. It's an assignment. Just write the name with red pen. It must not be this big, okay? Because you are going to put it in between these onions. You are going to make the paper to be very small. Sorry, you are going to make the paper to be very small, so that if you write the name, you will get a sharp blade, or you can use a knife, your kitchen knife, and divide these onions into two. Use that name, put it in between there. But before then, please, you have to use mortar, normal mortar. Don't use blender for any reason. We don't encourage blender. Use normal mortar, the one that is made of wood. Get this 7 pieces. Get this, you can use one of this. Get the 7 pieces and then get that pepper, normal pepper. Put it, pound 3 of them together. Open this. This is the head. So you're going to open from the tail. When you open it, to place it in there. And then use your hand. Don't use spoon. Use your hand. It's going to pepper you. Why doing this? Within you should be praying. If you can cry, let your tears drop in there. After putting it, if you can cry and allow your tears to drop in there, then cover it back with nylon, black leather, black nylon. Tie it very well. Go and bury it where no one will step on it. If there is no place, you can go and throw it in a river. If not, you can go and bury it where no one will go there and scatter it. 7 days job. 7 days. Every night, go on your knees. Go on your knees and pray. Make sure your hands are clean. Make sure your hands are clean, please. If not, you won't like the outcome. Be careful. Use your tongue to count your teeth if you have done something of that nature by snatching someone else's husband. It won't work for you. It won't work for you. So be careful before doing this, okay? Just do it and check out what will happen. Don't fight the side chick or whatever. Don't fight your husband. Don't just do as if nothing is going on. Within that 7 days, you will see great miracle. I won't tell you how it will happen. You may not even know how it will happen. But how it will happen, you'll be so shocked. Because all you prayed for, all you wished for, must surely come to fulfillment. Do this and give me feedback. I'll be here waiting for you.